Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable camera preset. In the beginning let's go to settings and now enter accessibility presets. Go to gameplay, switch to camera preset. Now you can enable or disable it. This function is a group of common settings to reduce intensive camera effects. For example, if you enable camera preset, shake screen intensity, motion blur intensity, camera motion blur intensity, free object motion blur intensity will be set to 0, chromatic aberration will be turned off, and center dot will be turned on. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.